Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is absolutely crazy. I mean, I didn't even think that I would ever make this video, but I am doing a 10k giveaway. I always said I will only do a giveaway on my channel if I hit 10k subscribers, and I did. I hit 10k probably like maybe a month or so ago, but I just wanted to do one dedicated video to say thank you so much to every single person who have ever supported this channel. Like, I never thought that I would even get to like 1,000 subscribers. I feel like I'm getting emotional here. But yeah, I have done YouTube for like, how long have I done it for? Maybe like 7 years now. And I started in my parents' house, in my bedroom there. I just had like a really old camcorder, and I just done it because I loved watching YouTube and I really enjoyed it, and I still enjoy it now. Like, I can't believe I'm still doing it now, and I do it just alongside my normal job. This is literally my hobby, and the fact that I'm still doing it now and the fact that people are still watching me, I am so grateful. Honestly, you have no idea how much it means to me that people take the time out of their day to watch my videos. To say thank you, I am giving away 3 James Charles Morphe palettes. So in order to enter to have the chance of winning 3 of these, so these are all brand new Morphe palettes in collaboration with James Charles. If you want to win one of these, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment down below. You can comment anything, literally just comment an emoji. If you're not into commenting, just comment an emoji, and that will enter you into this 10k giveaway. For an extra entry, feel free to share it on any social media, and that's pretty much it. I'll run it probably for maybe like a couple of weeks. I'll put all the info in the description box below. Feel free to enter my giveaway. You don't have to if you don't want to. But yeah, thank you again. Thank you for watching this video. That's pretty much it. Good luck. Bye.